Welcome back to another episode of the Billionaire Blueprint. Today we're going to be talking about how anyone with a little bit of effort and focused action can go from making $0 a day to $300 a day using these online methods mentioned in this video. I know getting started can be hard, but it starts with a strong desire for change and the belief that you can make that change. Here are 5 ways you can earn over $300 a day using purely online opportunities. We will also give platforms for each method for you to look deeper in on your own. Number 1. Freelancing. To start freelancing, you'll need to create a portfolio of your work and set up a profile on a freelancing platform like Upwork or Fiverr. Be sure to clearly list your skills and services, and include samples of your work. Once your profile is set up, you can start bidding on projects or applying to job listings that match your skills. It's also a good idea to network with other freelancers and create a presence on social media to attract clients. Don't be close-minded on what opportunities that exist that people are willing to pay for. Can you speak and write in English? That's a skill. Bring it to market. Can you make interesting websites? Bring it to market. Can you write interesting blog posts? Bring it to market. We are in an age where we have to learn to productize any skill and ability we have. Don't take any for granted and you'll realize you can be of service to someone out there in the world. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. To start affiliate marketing, you'll need to find a product or service that you believe in. Look for affiliate programs related to that product or service, and apply to become an affiliate. Once accepted, you'll be given a unique referral link to share with your audience. You can share the link on your website, blog, social media, or through email marketing. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you'll earn a commission. Most of you have access to base-level referral programs to a lot of products and services you already use. From the credit cards you have, down to your favorite soaps you use regularly. If you use it, create a video review that helps others make better informed decisions on their purchases. If you review every item you own and make a channel and blog around it. It's not impossible to generate $300 a day if you are a great presenter and you optimize the SEO for each post. Here are some good platforms to get started on. Number 3. Selling products on e-commerce platforms. To start selling products online, you'll need to decide what you want to sell. You can either sell your own products or dropship from a supplier. Once you have your product, set up a seller account on an e-commerce platform like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Create a listing for your product, and include high-quality images and a detailed description. Be sure to optimize your listing for search, and use social media and other marketing tactics to drive traffic to your listing. Number 4. Online tutoring. To start tutoring online, you'll need to have expertise in a particular subject and be comfortable using video conferencing software. Look for tutoring platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, and VIPKid that connect students with tutors. Sign up as a tutor, create a profile, and list your expertise. Once your profile is set up, you can start applying to tutoring job listings or waiting for students to reach out to you. Number 5. Print on demand. There are numerous businesses where you can start selling products without having to invest any of your money into inventory cost. The way this business works is you can design a custom product, logo, or design and market them using social media and other marketing tactics to the site, and they will only create the product if there is an order to buy it. This significantly reduces the risk of selling merchandise and being in the red, because you weren't able to sell the inventory you invested in. Some platforms to further research are Printify, Printful, Everbee, and Canva. The key part of any online business model is your ability to get eyeballs driven to your product or service, so be sure to research current marketing trends that work online because the landscape is always transforming, and what worked yesterday may not work today. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You have successfully downloaded another piece of the Billionaire Blueprint. Until next time.